So going back to what is the intro phrase rule, what immediately follows the introductory phrase or clause must be what's modified by the introductory phrase or clause. So in this scenario, after preparing for a part for months, the audience. Now, was it the audience that was preparing for a part for months? The answer to that is no, it was not the audience. It was Sarah that was preparing for a part for months. So Sarah must be what immediately follows the introductory phrase or clause. And that is what is wrong with this sentence. And that's also what is very commonly wrong in modifier questions. So let's take a look at number 18 with that in mind. Wingless and up to 15 inches long. So what immediately follows this must be what is wingless and up to 15 inches long. However, in answer F, the men is what immediately follows. And the men are not wingless and up to 15 inches long, so we can eliminate answer F. The same thing for answer G. Answer H correctly says that the insects has the insects immediately after it. And so we doesn't mean it's right. It just means we can't eliminate it based off the modifier rule. And then J, delete the underlined portion. So it would just go straight to the long name for the insect. But what's problematic with this is that we have an M dash that does not have an independent clause before it. And that problem is solved in answer H. The insects are, and then it gives the long name for the insects. So it has an independent clause before the M dash, and it correctly addresses the intro phrase rule by having the insects immediately after the intro phrase. So answer H is going to be our correct answer, and J is wrong because there's no independent clause before the M dash. If this made sense to you, please add it to your worksheet and then go on and do the other modifier questions that you missed on this test. If you didn't miss any other modifier questions on this test, highly recommend going ahead and doing the modifiers mastery, getting 10 correct in a row before continuing to the next category that you missed the most of on this test.